What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and the kind people over at MUJJO was kind enough to send me out their full leather case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this says it has a slim design, full grain vegetable painted leather, and it has MagSafe capability. It says iPhone 15 Pro Max leather case. This is the black version. And on the back here, you can pause that and read it for yourself. So right now, we're just going to unbox this case and see how I like it. This is what you are greeted with. This is what the case looks like. So it has the logo down there, MUJJO, if I'm saying that right. On the inside, it does have your MagSafe ring. The logo is on there, and again, and it feels nice in the inside. It looks and feels awesome in the hand. You do get a nice cutout for your camera. So now we're gonna place our iPhone 15 Pro Max in like so. This does look nice. It's thin. So if you're the type of person that wants a thin look on your device, this is the way to go. It has a lip, but not as much lip as I would recommend or as I like. So if you do get this case, I would recommend you throw a screen protector on there. So when you place it flat down on the table, you will be good to go as long as you have a screen protector on there. If you want even better protection, then when you come over here, you do get nice buttons for your power button. It's nice. I like the way that feels. It looks good. Down here, you get nothing. The bottom here, you do get access to your USB-C charging cable, and it can go in just like that, no problem. Then over here, you do get access to your action button, which is a button for your action button, volume up and down button. It's nice and clicky. As you can see, wait, let's do that. Nice and clicky, no problem. Turn it over to the back. Like I said, you do get a nice deep cutout for that camera. So if you place it flat down on the table on the back, you will be good to go. Overall, this feels nice, and it doesn't carry too much bulk or weight to it. Has a nice feel. Smells good also. So if you're out there and you're looking for a leather case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, because we all know Apple is no longer making the leather cases anymore for their iPhones. So if you're out there and you just have to have a leather case, go the MUJJO route. You will not be disappointed, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.